A small spark of optimism can travel far, gently guiding what is meant for you back home. Like the first star appearing at dusk, barely visible, yet unwavering. Optimism does not shout. It glows. It lives in the spaces between heartbeats, in the pause before surrender, in the soft knowing that life is still unfolding, even when you cannot see the whole picture. Allow yourself to rest here now. Let these words be the doorway into this moment. Close your eyes gently, as if lowering a curtain at the end of a long day. Notice your breath, moving in and out, like waves returning to shore. Never lost, only delayed. With each inhale, imagine gathering scattered pieces of yourself. With each exhale, imagine placing them down, as leaves fall naturally from a tired tree. You do not need to hold everything together right now. The ground beneath you remembers how to support. Visualize a small spark forming in your chest. Not a flame, just a glow, like a firefly resting in the dark. This spark has always been there. It survived storms, winters, unanswered questions. It whispers gently, "If I am still here, then hope is too." With every breath, the spark brightens. Not by force, but by permission. This spark begins to move, like a lantern carried through fog. It travels through moments you once doubted. Through doors that closed. Through paths that bent unexpectedly. And everywhere it goes, it leaves behind a quiet truth. Nothing was wasted. just as rivers curve to reach the sea. Your life has been finding its way. Even when it looked like wandering. Feel the spark extend beyond you now. Sending light into the unseen. Like migrating birds, guided by instinct. What belongs to you is already moving. Drawn by resonance, not effort. You do not have to chase. You do not have to prove. Repeat softly within. What is meant for me cannot miss me. Let that sentence settle. Like warm tea on a cold evening. The spark returns to your heart. Stronger now, steadier. It spreads warmth through your chest. Your shoulders. Your hands. You realize something gentle and profound. You are not waiting to arrive home. You are becoming it. Home is not a place in the future. It is the safety you offer yourself now. Rest here for a moment. Breathing. Being. Optimism is not certainty. It is trust without a map. It says, even this moment belongs. Even I am enough. Let silence hold you, like night holding the stars. As you slowly return, know this: a small spark of optimism can travel far, gently guiding what is meant for you back home. Carry this spark into your day, into your choices, into the spaces where doubt once lived. You are guided. You are held. You are already on your way.